We'll begin with judicial matters, as matters where Justice Obiora Egwatu of the Federal High Court in Abuja has recused himself from the asset forfeiture case involving former Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami and two others. The judge informed counsel of the parties after they had formally entered their appearances in court. Joshua Imarayi, our judiciary correspondent, is on standby at the court for update on today's proceedings. Joshua, quite a dramatic development. Did the judge give any reason for stepping aside from the case?
Well, good afternoon to you, Judith. Of course, he gave reasons. This is not the first time Abubakar Malami, alongside two others, will be appearing before a judge of the Federal High Court. You recall sometime a few weeks back, the same Abubakar Malami, alongside his son and his wife, appeared before Justice Imarayi, where they took their plea on a 8.7 billion naira fraud charges laid against them by the EFCC. The same judge also granted interim forfeiture orders of some properties, particularly 57 in numbers of some properties allegedly linked to the former Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice. But subsequently, this particular case was reassigned to a new judge. That is the judge named Justice Obiora Egwatu. Now, upon commencement of proceedings this morning before Justice Obiora Egwatu, all of the counsels have announced their appearances, and everybody, they were all ready for the case except one of the counsel, that is person of Paul Dawood, who is representing Malami himself, who wrote a letter to the court that he would be absent. However, after announcing appearances, Justice Obiora Egwatu announced to the court that he is recusing himself from the case and all other cases that concerns Malami and the EFCC. This was taken with shock by some of the counsels who were actually present during the case hearing this morning. And Justice Obiora Egwatu said that he is actually recusing himself from the case due to personal reasons and for a fact that the interest of justice must be upheld in the cases. So that is where we are. Justice Obiora Egwatu has hands off the case, and he has made orders that the case file be returned back to the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court for further reassignment. So that is where we are, Judith.
Well, Joshua, I must say thank you for that update. Joshua Imarayi, their correspondent live from the High Court in Abuja.